Hello friends, today we'll be discussing a common drain amplifier, or we can also call it as a source follower. So it's one of very important question in VTU which was asked for 10 marks. They usually ask the derivation for R in around gain and overall gain and voltage gain. Apart from that, you need to draw the T equivalent circuit and the normal basic circuit of a common drain or a source follower circuit. So now moving on, here we need to know that let me first show you the circuit. So this is a circuit. So when we observe here, the drain terminal is going to be at a ground here, and input whatever is there we are giving it to the gate. Okay, we can observe that this is our input which is given to the gate, and this is our output which is given to the source terminal. Now how to remember the circuit? Again the same logic holds good. A biasing using a constant current source circuit with input and output given to the source terminal. So here the drain is going to function as a ground. This drain part is going to function as a signal ground. So a circuit needs to have a signal ground, right? So here the drain is going to function as a signal ground. So whatever is common, that will be grounded. That thing should be remembered. So when I tell a common source, that means source will be grounded. When I tell a common gate, gate will be grounded. Here common drain, so drain will be grounded. Drain will be your signal ground. Okay, so as the drain is grounded, you will not have any resistor, that is RD. At drain part we used to have RD resistor, right? So that resistor we don't use it here, and then therefore we are going to eliminate the RD resistor. Now moving on further, input signal, as I told, through the capacitor CC1, that is the coupling capacitor, input signal will be applied to the gate, and output signal at the MOSFET source you are coupling it with the load resistor RL. Through this coupling capacitor, the output signal you are arriving at the load resistor RL. Okay, now we have selected a T equivalent model for the analysis. Now the small signal equivalent model of a common drain amplifier is something like this. Okay, so here when we observe, this is our T equivalent model, T model. To the T model we have given an input. So here when we observe, our input was this one, right? So this part, so here when we are writing a T equivalent model or exact model, we don't include capacitors. So this part we are writing it over here. Next, what about output part? The load resistor RL is there. Here no RD. Why? Because the drain is grounded. Okay. So RL is included at the source. Okay. Now, moving on further, we will find the input resistance now. So our input resistance will be nothing but, as usual, it is Rg. So whenever we have an Rg in the circuit, input resistance will be Rg only. But if you don't have Rg, then your input resistance will become 1 by Gm. Always remember that. So this is our input resistance Rg. So now what about the input voltage Vi? Okay, Vi will be nothing but the same logic holds good. Vsig into Rn by Rsig, sum of these two resistances, that is Vi is equal to Vsig into Rn by Rn plus Rsig. So this is my input signal. Okay, here Rn is nothing but Rg again. Okay, so let me change it. So I'll be getting Vsig into Rg by Rg plus Rsig. Okay, now what happens is your Rg is very much greater than Rsig. So my input will be same as Vsig. Okay, so when this is greater, I can neglect this. This and this will be cancelled. We are left with only Vsig. So this is what we'll be getting. Okay, now I am going to apply the voltage divider rule. Okay, so where am I going to apply the voltage divider rule? At the output part. Okay, so when I apply the voltage divider rule at the output part, what do I have? I have RL and R0 which are in parallel. Okay, so along with that I have another resistance. This is 1 by GM, right? So what am I going to do at input part? At output I am going to apply. That means the voltage that will be appearing at this part will be VI only. So I will be writing here applying voltage divider rule. I will be getting V out will be equal to, the potential is VI that will be appearing. So VI into RL R0 in parallel with, in series with GM, right? RL and R0 are in parallel. These both together are in series with 1 by GM. Correct? So that is what I will be writing here now. So VI into RL and R0 are in parallel divided by RL parallel to R0 plus what is the resistance left is 1 by GM. So the same thing I will be writing it over here, 1 by GM. So now I want the gain. How do I find gain? I have VI, I have V0. So my gain will be AV, which is output by input voltage ratio, which is equal to RL parallel to R0 divided by RL parallel to R0 plus 1 by GM. Let me put this in bracket. Okay, so this is our voltage gain. Now here when we observe, I want a open circuit gain. So in the open circuit gain, I am going to neglect the RL. That means RL will not be present in the open circuit. So when it is open circuited, RL will not be present, which means that, so let me write open circuit gain. So that means AV0 will be equal to open circuit gain, it is R0 by R0 plus 1 by GM. This is what I will have. Now if my R0 is greater than 1 by GM, then AV0 will become nearly unity. That means it will become 1. So thus what happens to my voltage? So now voltage at source is going to follow, voltage at source follows that at the gate. Voltage at the source will be following the gate, giving the name as a, so that is the reason why we call common drain as a source follower, giving the name source follower. Now if R0 is greater than RL, then what happens to your gain? It will be RL by RL plus 1 by GM. Overall gain of the circuit will now be, let me give the overall gain denoted with GV, given as GV is equal to minus, okay, minus into, so it is moving, I mean down with negative sign with input resistance part. So at input part what do I have? It is RG plus RSIG along with AV, right? So the same thing I will be writing here, RG by RG plus RSIG into AV. Okay, so now what is AV? AV is nothing but it is RL parallel to R0. This part I will be writing. Okay, so overall gain will be RL parallel to R0 by RL parallel to R0 plus 1 by GM. So this is what I will be getting. So this is about the overall gain. So this is about the circuit. So let me tell you the flow of how to answer it in the paper. So first you have to write something about the circuit. That means you can also write that input signal is given to the gate and the drain is at a signal ground, and the output terminal, the output will be taken at the source terminal. Okay, So output signal at MOSFET source is coupled at capacitor CC2 to the load resistor RL. So upon now we are going to consider this in terms of the T equivalent model just for the analysis. Then write the T equivalent model circuit. So once the circuit is done, then go on finding for Rn, then go find for AV, and once you find AV, then open circuit gain and overall gain you will be finding. And what about R out? R out is not mentioned anything over here. So